Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to take class notes in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Docs app. And here it opens up in the Drive files. From here we just tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner and then choose template. Here we scroll down and under education we find class notes. We have a few options to select from. Let's just see one of them. And here we have a template for taking class notes, and we can edit this by tapping on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner and just fill out the things that we need to. For example, here we write the course name, the semester, the date, and then here we start writing, and then we can just use these lists to organize information. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.